The Pizza Pets. Once upon a time, there was a woman who lived deep in a forest with her two pets, a dog and a cat. It was dinner time. The dog barked and the cat meowed. They were all hungry. The woman smiled, picked up her phone, and ordered a large pizza with extra cheese. She waited and waited, but the pizza never arrived. When the woman opened the door to look for the delivery driver, the cat escaped. The woman was worried because the cat had never gone outside before. She called the cat's name, but nobody answered. She turned around to go inside. But just before she closed the door, the dog ran out. He followed the cat down the street and into the night. The woman was devastated. She missed her furry friends. She was hungry too, because the pizza never arrived. She cried and cried. The dog followed the cat to an abandoned house. It was dark and quiet. They smelled something delicious in the air, so they moved closer to the house. They stopped outside the gate. They were curious. What did they find? They found a large pizza with extra cheese, still hot. The restaurant had delivered it to the wrong house. The dog barked and the cat meowed. They were excited. They decided to try some of the pizza. The dog tasted it. The cat tasted it. The pizza tasted good. The cat ate the cheese, and the dog chewed the crust and chopped tomatoes. And soon they finished the whole thing. Now they were stuffed. They walked home slowly but happily. When they got back to the house, the woman was delighted to have her pets home. "Where have you been?" she asked them. The dog barked and the cat meowed. They were tired. Then she looked closer. What did she see? She was shocked. There was tomato sauce splattered all over the dog's mouth. There was cheese stuck to the cat's fur. The dog even had a pepperoni stuck on his nose. The woman understood what happened. "Did you eat my pizza?" The dog and the cat looked guilty. The dog lowered his eyes. The cat curled up her tail. "Well," she sighed, "you could have saved some for me." The dog barked and the cat meowed. They were sorry. The woman just smiled because she loved them. She hugged them, kissed them, and cleaned their fur. The dog wagged his tail and the cat purred. They were relaxed. The tired woman picked up her phone and ordered another pizza. This time for pickup, not delivery. The end.